What type of crimper are you supposed to use with these round circular PV connectors for solar panels? Well, today I have two solutions for you. But first, do not use this type of crimper. This type of crimper is for those connectors that have wings like this, and it crimps them into something that looks like a bee, just like the shape here shows. Another thing you should never use to crimp these connectors is a pliers or a hammer. Some people use pliers. This will break these connectors and it will give you a bad crimped connector. Hammers are even worse. They will break this connector, and if it works, it's going to give you a loose connection. Loose connection means heat, heat means fire. So always use the correct tool for the correct purpose. These circular DC connectors for inverters and solar panels are supposed to be crimped with such a crimper. And I have a link for this crimper from AliExpress in the video description below. Just make sure you select HX10 from the big list of other crimpers that will be available. And this is how you use it. These connectors came with my day off-grid inverter, and these are what I'm going to use to connect the inverter to my solar distribution board here. I have already crimped one terminal. I just need another length of cable so that I can crimp the other one. You can always refer to your user manual to how much you need to strip the insulation. My user manual says 7 millimeters, but you can also do this by eye, just by putting the cable next to the pin like that. That's the first layer of insulation. I need to strip this other one too, because these PV cables are usually double insulated. There you go. This will fit perfectly inside the terminal like that, but it's a little bit too long. I need to cut some off. That's perfect. This is a ratcheting crimper. You just place it to open it. Next, you will place this terminal inside the hole that corresponds to your cable size. For me, I'm using 4 millimeter cable. So I will place it in the number 4. Then you place your cable. Make sure the cable doesn't come out when you are crimping. Then you just press. You press it until the end. And that is how you crimp these circular terminals that come with day inverters. You also need to test that this is a tight connection and this won't come off. It's tight, and now I need to just place my terminal and tighten it. The manual says that I need to open the end, but I don't need to do that. I can just insert it inside the terminal until I hear a click. That click. From this end now, I just need to use my available spanners to tighten everything up. Good. And now I have a watertight connection for my day inverter. These other connectors I bought from AliExpress will be crimped using the same crimper. I will use this on the solar panels, but for this, I'm going to connect it to the inverter. This one will go into the positive terminal, and the other one that I have just crimped, this one will go into the negative terminal at the back. The next type of crimper that you can use with these round connectors is this here. But please make sure wherever you buy, make sure you select the one with the -4 at the end, because the first one, A2546B, has jaws that look like this crimper, and the other one, A2546B-4, has jaws that look like this. The hexagonal type of jaws are used for the circular PV connectors. Link to this also in the video description below. I finally have to crimp one of these ferrules onto my new cable. And for that I need one of these ferrules. Link also in the video description below. Next you place the ferrule on top until the cables are just poking through the other end. Like that. Hope you can see that. Then I will use my ferrule crimper here. And I have a crimped ferrule on the terminal. This is another set of PV solar DC connectors that I bought on AliExpress, and they are also of the same variety. They are the round ones. And for this, you will still use the same crimper here. I will use these connectors for the solar panels outside. Now, the reason you never want to use this type of crimper on this type of connectors is because this crimper will break these connectors, and if you break it, you buy another one. So do not use this type of crimpers. Or this type of crimpers. Always use the recommended type of crimper. Like I said, choose HX10. That's it. My name is Dominic. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in my other videos and the live streams. Have a nice day and goodbye.